Hi guys! Happy New Year and a prosperous 2024 to each and every one of you. I am wishing that you had such a wonderful holiday and a great start of 2024. Guys, for today's episode, I'm sure we are already seeing lots of our fellow luxury YouTubers sharing their 2024 luxury wish list. But for today's episode, I would like to challenge my fellow YouTubers here, fellow luxury YouTubers, to be doing this tag video. So crossing my fingers that this isn't in the YouTube yet, but nevertheless guys, the challenge is, it is like the reverse of the 2024 luxury wish list. I would be challenging everyone to be sharing what luxury bags they are not going to buy in 2024. Plus, of course, sharing to us the reasons, the cons behind the bags that they are not going to purchase. The reasoning behind this, guys, is maybe perhaps we have different likes, or we are eyeing some bags that we wanted to add to our collection. However, we are unfamiliar with the cons. And of course, hearing these cons from our fellow luxury YouTubers, we would have an idea whether we would still want to add this to our luxury wish list. Isn't that great, guys? So hopefully, guys, please make sure you stay tuned at the end of this episode, because I would be revealing to you why I am no longer adding a Louis Vuitton monogram canvas in my collection. Me not adding a Louis Vuitton monogram canvas. I'm sure everyone is familiar that I already have a number of monogram canvas, but I would be revealing at the end the reasons why. So hopefully, guys, you enjoy and stay until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at HERMES2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so the very first bag that I will not be adding to my luxury wishlist or collection, it would be the Celine Triomphe wallet on chain. Yes, so guys, if you have been following me, I have shared this on our previous shopping vlog with Celine. When I have seen this bag, I immediately and instantly fell in love. And of course, the price is amazing. If I'm not mistaken, last year, it's only around 90 to 99,000 Philippine pesos. So this one, this is a wallet on chain. It is made of smooth or box calf leather. I love, of course, the Triumph logo. It's really yellow gold. And of course, it comes with a fully detachable crossbody strap that you could wear it as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag. So this one, if I'm not mistaken, so I'm going to put a video here. It's almost the same size as the Triumph shoulder bag. So the Triumph shoulder bag last year, of course, definitely is a lot more expensive compared to the wallet on chain. That was the reason why I added the wallet on chain in my collection. But guys, what is the reason why I am no longer adding a Celine Triomphe wallet on chain on my collection or wish list? That is because with my recent visit to Celine, it's been a while since I visited our local Celine store here. I was surprised, guys, how much the price increased on the Celine Triomphe wallet on chain. So remember, initially last year, the price is around 90 to 99,000 Philippine pesos. Right now, guys, would you believe it? The price is now 140,000 Philippine pesos. So that is around 30 to 40% price increase. So I was thinking to myself, is it still a valid price for this wallet on chain bag? And I was also thinking, how many price increase did Celine had last year? Because again, guys, 30 to 40% price increase from 90 to 99,000 Philippine pesos. Now the new price is 140k. OMG. So I'm not really sure. Not even Louis Vuitton, not even Chanel is doing that much of price increase. Maybe the reason they have increased the price on the wallet on chain so much is because of its popularity. Maybe Celine has noticed that everyone is already just purchasing the wallet on chain versus the Triumph shoulder bag, right? But for me, guys, honestly, with the price tag of 140k for a wallet on chain, I would definitely not adding that to my wish list. Maybe if I could find it on the pre-love market, or I would go to a different brand, like for example with Fendi, because with Fendi, their mini Fendi baguette is only priced here in the Philippines 130k, and I feel for me, my love for Fendi is greater than Celine. Alright, so the next bags that I would not be adding to my luxury wish list or collection, guys, I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of heat for this one. It would be any bags from Hermes. Yes, so guys, I am not saying that Hermes bags are of not good quality and they are not beautiful. On the contrary, guys, of course, every time that I would be seeing maybe an Hermes 20, Birkin 25 or a Kelly 25, I would always, gush and say how beautiful this bag is. So guys, what is the reason why I am still not adding any Hermes bag in my collection? I think number one, of course, everyone would agree on me on this one. It would be the price point. So for me, the price point for me, it's a little bit expensive on the bags that I would want to add to my collection. And secondly, guys, if for example, if I would be purchasing an Hermes bag or any bag for that matter with a price point of let's say 10,000 USD and above, guys, I'm sure I would not be using this bag. I would just be keeping it in my closet, because every time I would be using this bag, I would be afraid that I would damage this one. And of course, guys, I would also be afraid of my security, because I'm sure everyone is already familiar what an Hermes bag would look like, especially with the Kota bags, so the Kellys, the Birkins. So you are going to be a target with, theft, robbery. So I would be afraid for my security. So I'm thinking if I would be purchasing any Hermes bag, so maybe even the non-Kota bags. So like for example, guys, I'm not familiar, like for example, the Lindy or their other non-Kota bags, I feel it is not suited in my current lifestyle as of the moment. But then again, guys, these are very beautiful bags. They are good investment, but in my lifestyle right now, it would still not work. So I would just be adding a Hermes bag in 2024, but who knows, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, I would be okay in adding maybe even just one Kelly bag in my collection. Alright, so guys, another bag on this topic that I would not be purchasing and adding to my collection, it would be from Fendi, guys. Yes, I know you are sure that I really do love Fendi, but guys, OMG, their latest collaboration, the Fendi X Pokemon, no, definitely this is a big no for me. The reason for this one, as much as I love Fendi, I am not a huge fan of Pokemon. So I've seen a couple of bags that Fendi has posted on their Instagram account, and there's a cringe factor in me. So guys, again, this is not a jab on anyone else. If for example, there are bags here that you really love, or maybe you already have the bags that I'm already discussing to you. So this is not a personal attack on you. This is just my personal opinion. So again, I am not a fan of Pokemon. That is why I am not understanding the logo or the design of Pokemon that is just implanted on top of the Fendi bag. So honestly, I would still go for Fendi bags. However, I would removing those Pokemon patches, because I feel you are making the bag look cheap. Unfortunately, that is not such a good word, but for me, it is really making the Fendi bags look inexpensive. Definitely, I would say no and not be adding the Fendi X Pokemon in my collection. Alright guys, last but not the least, you are going to be surprised, because you know guys how much I love a Louis Vuitton monogram canvas in my collection. I already have, of course, my Louis Vuitton Alma BB. I have my Petite Sac Plat. I have my toiletry pouch. I also have my Kikle. I love a good Louis Vuitton monogram canvas, but guys, I am no longer adding it in my collection in 2024, or better yet, I am no longer adding a Louis Vuitton monogram canvas in 2024. So guys, you may be asking, what are the reasons why I am no longer adding this print in my collection? I think for this one, guys, it is because my style is kind of evolving right now, and I am kind of loving the quiet luxury styling, and that includes I am more falling in love with quiet luxury bags. So of course, as you know, the monogram canvas, this is a loud luxury, and Guys, don't get me wrong, I still do love my monogram canvas pieces. I am not just going to add any more in my collection. So currently, let me just put it here. So currently, I'm sure everyone is familiar that most of the bags that I'm currently adding are more of the quiet luxury pieces. Like for example, my Wanda bag over there. So of course, I also have my Ferragamo iconic top handle. So those bags are very quiet. It's like if you know, you know. If you're not familiar, you would not know. Those are luxury bags. And of course, guys, aside from monogram canvas, I think moving forward, what I am gravitating to, if for example, I would be purchasing a bag from Louis Vuitton, it's either the monogram empreinte leather, and of course, guys, I would be choosing the swan color. If it's just noir, everything would be noir. I don't like anymore the Louis Vuitton bicolor monogram empreinte leather. Before, I am dying to have a bicolor empreinte, but right now, guys, when I am seeing this, it's very shouty. I think that's not for me. And aside from the monogram canvas, I would be looking forward to be adding more epi leather pieces in my collection. Like for example, my Louis Vuitton Papillon or Soufflot bag. Definitely, I love this kind of material. It's very sturdy, quiet luxury, as you can see. Very minimal logo over here, and it is again another if you know, you know type of bag. And of course, these bags, since they are on the quiet luxury style, I'm not going to be afraid in carrying them. With my lifestyle right now, sometimes I would be taking Grab car or Uber, but there would be times I would be taking public transportation. And of course, with public transportation, like for example, trains, buses, I would not be comfortable in carrying monogram pieces like this. I would be afraid for my security. But for example, carrying a Louis Vuitton bag like this quiet luxury bag, I would still be okay. I would still feel safe, and I would know that I am still carrying a luxury bag. Guys, also, I would not just be targeting the Louis Vuitton monogram canvas. I would not be adding, of course, Dior oblique canvas. So that is still a no for me, because again, it is not part of my styling right now. And I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos. They are saying that the oblique, especially with the Dior book tote, it's kind of yellowing. So of course, I'm also afraid with that one, quality issues. And of course, like for example with Celine, I'm sure you guys know that I was so in love with the Celine vertical cabas in their monogram canvas. So good thing I did not purchase that one. And of course, even from Gucci or Fendi, their monogram pieces, definitely I would say no. I would just be sticking with my quiet luxury pieces. So I have my Louis Vuitton bag, and of course I have my Ferragamo bags here. And if for example they are going to have a logo, like for example with my Fendi baguette, a singular logo like this, or with for example my Coach tabby, that would still be okay. But for example, the entirety of the bag would be covered with monogram canvas, I would still say no for that one for 2024. There, so guys, hopefully you enjoyed our episode for today. I would be again challenging few of my YouTuber friends here, and of course would be tagging fellow luxury YouTubers down below, so kindly check her name. Please do share us what bags you are not going to purchase in 2024, and please provide us the reasons why. Also, you guys, our viewers here, guys, I would love to hear from you. What bags are you thinking not adding on your luxury bag collection? Please do comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a firework emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!